Okay, I am going to teach you how to install the OCF version of DNS Tech Pack. So what you're going to do, first off, with your Dropbox, you're going to go into your control panel and programs. You're going to go to Java. Ignore the Java 8, Java 7. I want you to uninstall both if they're not version 55. Okay. Once you uninstall those, download these two files, install both. Okay. After those are installed, you're going to open the multi-Minecraft, grab this folder, drag it to the base of C drive. So you'll end up with the folder multi-Minecraft in here. Open that. Going to, throw one. Open this. When you first start it for the first time, it's going to ask you to pick your Java. Pick version 1705564. You might have 56. The version's updated. I don't know if there's a new one or not. Select that. Hit OK. Accounts, manage accounts, add. And this is either your Minecraft login or your Mojang account because they're linked now. So we're going to hit that. And it's going to think. We're going to hit close. Okay, we're going to hit this. We're going to name this whatever you want. Oops. Now you're going to hit this little button that select here. Pick 16416. This one right here. It's only 164 listed. You can hit OK. Now it's going to download. And I'm not going to download that because it's going to take a while. So after that's done downloading, open up my other one. You'll have a base version, clean version of Minecraft 164. I'm going to have you go to Settings, Java, check the box. Leave this at 256. Change this, depending on your amount of RAM, 2 gigs, 248, 3 gigs, 372, 4 gigs is 496. Firm gen, change that to either 512 or 1024 if you have enough RAM. I mean, you could do 3 gigs here, 1 gig here, 3 gigs here, 512 here. You know, it's what works for you. If you need help, ask. Okay, we're going to hit OK on that. And then we're going to go to, just open the instance folder from right here. And you're going to get a Minecraft here. Now, I want you to take the DNS guy right here, DNS right here. We're going to see all these wonderful files. I want you to grab all those, drag them over there. Okay? Once all that's in there, it might take a minute. I'm going to have you go in to there and edit mods. Okay, you're going to go, if Forge is not listed, install Forge. You're going to have to pick 9.11.1965. Okay, that'll fix your Minecraft. It'll run then. If you want to double check, make sure the stuff's listed, just hit load mods and so the rest of the goodies. I'm not going to get into that. Then you will start the game. Now I should warn you that it will take forever. Okay, and when I mean forever, on my system, it takes my computer about 4 minutes to 5 minutes to load it. It takes the server about 8 to 10 minutes to load it. I can't fix that. That is just the way Minecraft is working for the modded versions. They've gotten big, they've gotten fat. They're not going on a diet anytime soon. Unless Minecraft fixes their stuff and gets off of Java completely, you're stuck with it. While your Minecraft is loading, it'll pop up. I'll start mine here for a minute. First login token, and you're going to get this little console here on the side, and it's just going to keep going. Okay, as you can see, we're still loading. Just give it time. Like I said, you got about 5 minutes. Go grab yourself a beer, grab yourself a sandwich, make me a sandwich. Once in a while, this will pop up. It will say not responding. Do not touch it. Okay, trust me, just let it run. If you get a little blue circle that starts spinning on your mouse pointer when you move over it, then your Minecraft crapped itself. Click on the console, hit kill. Please don't do that when it's not doing the blue circle of death. And I mean blue circle of death, that's all it keeps doing. This doesn't move, this will stop, it will sit for a couple minutes. You get a message that says you've been waiting long enough, have some cake. Go have some cake. I'm not going to sit here for the whole 5 minutes, let this load. But I'm going to pause this, and we'll come back to it when it's still loading. Like I said, just wait. Prime example, okay? I have the blue circle, but the console is still going. That's okay. If the console's not moving and you get a blue circle of death, then you're doomed. By the way, I'm still waiting for my sandwich. And I forgot to mention, if you cannot open the raw files, you suck ass. And I'm going to need you to go up to raw. Just go to rawlab.com, go download the English version, and you'll be fine. It'll open the file. And as you can see, it's still loading, so I will come back to this in a while. And this message is brought to you by TJ Chapin. He likes to suck balls. Just forget to put that out there while it's still loading. As you can see, we're still going. Okay, so I should have recorded this sooner this morning when I got it running, because I ended up visiting for the last, 5 hours. So we're loading it. As you can see, the console's moving in the background, so it says it's not responding at the blue circle of death. But again, so when that console stops moving for quite a while, then you gotta worry. Because usually Minecraft will gray out and it'll pop a message up saying it crapped itself anyway. So I'm gonna let this finish loading here, and I'm gonna pause this for a minute, and I will show you what to do next. Oh, wrong one. Okay, so game is loaded, and it does crap once in a while loading, and you'll know. Okay, so we're just gonna do single player. Delete that one. I know it doesn't work. Switch to creative. More world. Just make it flat because it's just easier. Takes less time to load. And we'll create the world. Now this does take a little bit also. Like I said, it's gonna take you about 10 minutes to get into Minecraft, give or take, on your system. And once you get into the game, if you're given admin, most people will be given admin. Tim, if you're going to watch this video and learn how to install this, I've already gone ahead and disabled all new nuclear weapons and ICBM, including every other one. Because I have tried dropping a nuclear bomb on a little flat world, or a fully generated multi-biome thing on my own computer here. Only to have it explode and corrupt the world. So, Tim, no bombs. Nathan, everything's disabled for you. Yeah. Now, like I said, just give it a minute. You'll see it flicker back and forth between the menu. This is just for single player. Multiplayer is a little different, but still does the same damn thing. So, I do apologize. It takes a minute because it's got to build the world. Server does log everything you do, so if you do manage to make a really huge fuck up, I might be able to fix it. I don't know, I haven't tried it yet. The new version of their stuff works a lot better in the 1.7.2 that I've looked at. Once again, we're gonna have to wait. And I did have found out that it looks like 1.7.2, since that was another major overhaul of Minecraft, that basically it's gonna break everything, so whatever we build in this world may not transfer over to the next one. So, I think we'll stick with this for a while, but don't get too attached to what you build, because you're going to have to just rebuild it again, like every Minecraft update, because Mojang can't get shit working right the first time. Oh, look, we didn't have any horses in the game. Oh, Mo Creatures add them, and then they steal it. Alright, now, the game's up and running, as you can see, and it automatically throws you at the pause menu, no matter what. Now, go back to the game. Okay, I'm going to click back to game, and it's going to continue to load. Don't ask. This is Mojang here. Blame them. Now you see I have a little circle of death, but the console's still moving. So again, just give it a minute. Alright, and there's a world light populates. Now, other than that, the game is completely fluid and will run while it's generating in the background, so it might take a minute there. Oh, there's crap loading in the background. That's supposed to be a flat world, and I don't know why that's up there. Yeah. Alright, we're just going to ignore that. And if you're given admin, or this is the normal, creative mode here, everyone's got all their stuff here. 13 pages of toys. Of stuff you can build and make and do whatever. Creative Plus, or it says Adventure Mode, I don't know why. This is creative for people that have admin and given other toys. On the default small Minecraft screen, you have 456 pages of toys. That's a lot of toys. You get default books down here. I would advise that you take these books, put them in a chest, and store them. Because I guess there will be a book here with Stargate addresses, and I'll get into that in a minute here. I don't have my computer online, do I? No, I don't. Let me see if I can get my computer online here. Go to the big server. Alright, look at that. But yeah, when you switch to creative mode, this may be blank for a moment here. Give it a minute. That's just NAI populating itself. It does take it a second. So, as you can see, we have just absolutely an assload of shit in here. So, it might be double the volumes in that. Like on the Stargate, you run into like 17 some things that say Naquita, which is, you know, the energy source from Stargate for those that haven't watched it. Tim, shut up. I know you're just giggling because of Skill Girl. Only certain ones work with certain things. So if you're trying to put down something that says like this mod's from nuclear control, and you're building something with a nuclear reactor from Rotary Craft or Atomic Science, just double check the mod and you'll figure out why it's not working. But again, there's books down here that tell you to do stuff. Alright, so we're going to escape out of this. Quit this for a moment here. And I'm going to go show you the Stargates. The world is set to populate. I don't know why that still says 10 players. I keep changing this thing. The game keeps kicking me off. I'll check my licensing key on the tower. I'll piss off. Really? I hate you. Okay, well, looks like we're going back to single player here. It looks like we'll just build one in single player. I guess the new mod for 1.7 will actually increase the size of the gate slightly, so it has all 9 chevrons instead of the 7. Because if I remember right, the 9th chevron was the Dial of Destiny. 8 chevrons was for Pegasus, and 7 chevron was the Milky Way Galaxy. And those that are gonna look at me and go nerd, piss off. All right, let me see if I can get any eye open here. Now you can build these on your own. The bucket Stargates are not in here, Tim. Sorry, Brian. We're using the good ones. There's 2 sets of Stargates. This is Stargate Tech 2. I haven't touched it yet. We're not going to even look at it right now. But I'm going to grab... Oh, bastard. Damn it. Also, the guy has also redone the DHD here, too. No, I really don't need a book because I can rebuild my world. Alright. Let me put down the key portal. Let's see if you guys can watch up. It takes a minute. Oh, there we go, lag. Hold on. You see shit still generating. Alright. This is how you build a regular working Stargate. Now, I do not want these 3 feet apart from each other. So find them, I will kill them. We are going to build a temple like the Google had in the Stargate movies in the first couple episodes where they had a list of every damn Stargate. As you can see, I'm gonna lag up just a little here because the world's populating animals now. Look, elephants there. We're gonna get into the animals later. I have disabled a few of them. There's a giant golem who's basically 2 blocks. Yes, that's a round object in Minecraft. Screw yourself. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I might increase the range of this. Yeah, I think that's a little too close. Just break that one off. Okay, now if you put this down, there's a certain limit to how far I can move. I can change that in the server later. You put this down, use the DHD, and this is not orange. Escape, break it, move it. Okay, give it a minute here. Now you can use a Stargate. So we're gonna go put another one. Put one behind this one so you guys can see this here. God damn. Yeah, don't worry, the game doesn't run this bad. It's just because it's trying to populate a new world, and I'm trying to play and serve on my own computer. Thank you, Mojang, for changing that shit. Liked it better when it didn't try to run a multiplayer server when you're in a single player game. Love Minecraft, but they could seriously get some help with the damn server. everyone sees exactly how this is built, right? That's the base. That's just a marker so you don't build it wrong. And bam, Shibu. Oh, damn it, wrong one. Shibui. And we got Stargate. So we're just gonna stick this one here. Check that works. All right. Okay, so if you find a Stargate and you want the address, before I put NACWD in this, you have to go up to the Stargate, use the Stargate right clicky, remember the letters. So I don't even have this written down with the pauses. I'm just going, yeah, I'll be right. Okay, so you just gotta remember the letters. I wish there's an automatic list of them, but there's not. So we're going to escape that for now. I need some NACWD to power the gate. This will be changing in 172, so whatever I teach you, don't memorize it too hard. NACWD, okay, it is. Tell me which one it is. It is a little drop. This one, right? No? Because this one. It's one of these. Yeah, I think this one. Put that in there. Go in there. Okay, we're going to, oops, that's VHD again. I'm going to grab that. Oops, I don't want to put it in that gate. That's the gate we're dialing. And just like Stargate fashion, one gate can power another, one-way travel, and they do close. Alright, so we're going to put that in there. Off to the HD, use DHD. If you like it, you can whack the buttons if you want. If you have to, you can actually type on your keyboard. So we're going to do EJNNBA. But as you can see, you know, that there's a little graphic error because it's around Score World. Yeah, that is weird. That's a weird way to watch. And look at that. And it's going to teleport me back because this is a private computer, not the server. And to turn it off, I can just walk through the DHD. Bam, it's gone. So that's Stargate. They will populate the world, and eventually we'll make a list of where you can go. Yeah, there's lots of new monsters. Come on, put me in creative mode. There we go. Alright, so we got a flame raise. God damn, this is lagging like a mother. I'm still trying to build shit. Alright, we have skeletons, you got, damn, tons of people coming out. Yeah, I'll go through this later, but these guys here are disabled. They are gone. You touch them and they will destroy the there's big little cave-in guys which they run faster than you do. Do not try to outrun them. There's flying horses, scorpions, bees, snakes, anything that's in the game. Yeah, these even turn into skeletons at night, some of them. Really creepy. So that'll be our server. But yeah, orgs. Oh, the golems I was talking about. Just 2 blocks and a little block off to the side that spins slightly. Looks at you. You touch it or get past it, it turns into this giant hulking thing, pulling blocks from the area that's in. So if it's in a cave, you've got like a diamond and shit and blocks, you're screwed. Just want to put that out there because you get 15 points to begin with. So, and yes, the guys are doing right. Now.